Have you ever opened a dataset and have no idea where to start? When a dataset looks like a wall of numbers and text, Power Query has two awesome functions to use: Table.Profile and Table.Schema. One shows what's inside the columns, and the other shows how the columns are built. Together they help you understand your data quickly without endless scrolling and guesswork. Let's take a look at the video game sales dataset. Looks fine, until you realize you don't know if the data is clean and reliable. That's where Table.Profile comes in. It scans the data and gives each column a quick health check. For example, let's take a look at the critic score. The minimum value is 1 and the maximum is 10. The column called genre should contain categories. So if your profile shows more than 50 genres, that's perhaps messy data. You can check whether there are negative values in sales column or anything else. If profile shows weird dates like 1900, you know something went wrong during import. Bottom line, profile tells you how trustworthy your data is before you try to clean it, analyze and visualize. Once you know what's inside, it's time to check how it's structured. That's Table.Schema. While profile shows values, schema tells you column types, column order, and how the system interprets each column, and a few hidden surprises. For example, critic score shouldn't be text or list date as a number. It's not correct. If the sales columns has any type, this will break formulas later. By the way, columns might be added, removed, renamed, or have type changes. Schema spots this immediately. It's like a security camera for your table. So whenever you get a new dataset, run Table.Profile, see what's messy, missing or broken, and then run Table.Schema, confirm the structure, and catch type issues or unexpected column changes. Together they turn a confusing spreadsheet into something you can actually trust. And if you want a deep dive video on how to automate table structure validation in Power Query, let me know in the comments below. I can walk you through step by step. See ya!